The Pantheon is located in Rome, Italy, and the present-day Pantheon is located on the site of an earlier structure of the same name. The structure was built by Marcus Agrippa, the son-in-law of the first Roman Emperor Augustus. The original Pantheon burned down in 80 AD and was then rebuilt by the Roman Emperor Domitian, and then it burned down in 10 AD. The architect of the existing Pantheon is unknown, but it is believed to be Hadrian because of his passion for art and architecture. Evidence suggests that the Pantheon was dedicated around 126 to 128 AD under Hadrian's rule, although construction may have begun under Hadrian's predecessor Trajan. The Pantheon is primarily built of concrete and bricks and consists of three sections: the portico with granite columns, the massive domed rotunda, and the rectangular area that connects the two. It is 142 feet in diameter, and the dome oculus is 27 feet in width. The 27-foot oculus has no covering and lets in light as well as rain and other weather. The dome ceiling contains 5 rings and 28 rectangular covers. The floors and walls of the Pantheon are decorated with marble and gilt. Additional architecture features of the Pantheon include the two pediments, the first, which is in the front, and then the second pediment, which lies behind the first pediment, the frieze, portico, an intermediate block, and the domed rotunda. There are many functions of the Pantheon over the years of its existence. The first known function was as a temple for Roman gods. The name Pantheon comes from the Greek word pan, meaning all, and the Greek word theos, meaning gods. Hadrian often used the Pantheon as a place for court, and in 1609, Pope Boniface IV converted the Pantheon into a Christian church, known in Latin as Sancta Maria and Martyrs, or Saint Mary and the Martyrs. The present-day Pantheon is also used as a burial site. Many Renaissance figures, such as the painter Raphael, composer Angelo Corelli, and architect Baldassare Peruzzi, are buried in the Pantheon. There is also a burial site for monarchs, such as Vittorio Emanuele II, Umberto I, and Queen Margherita. The Pantheon has had many worldly influences over the years. Many capitals of the United States are resembled after the Pantheon. Thomas Jefferson's home, Monticello, was modeled after the Pantheon. The Pantheon was also rumored to have inspired Michelangelo and Adrian Palladio in many of their various works.